tinkering time on this, I don't even know what year this is. Okay, doing the struts. You're gonna want to get one of these low, whatever they're called, low profile impact socket set. And that also allows you to get under this little area right here. There's like no room. I got my little thing on here. And then also can hook onto here with like a, I forgot what it was, like a 22 wrench, and then something like that, and then it'll turn loose. It's hard to get up in here, okay? So let's get to that part when we can. Let's jack up the vehicle. Only had 3 studs on there. One of them broke, obviously, so made it a little easier, I guess. Keep finding people with missing magnets. Gonna want to undo this. Damn. It just slide off. I'm just gonna get my following here. That's all we need. That's all we need. This is like a 21. Just hold it. I'm getting better every day, I think. Let's go, baby. I need to make my marks real quick. And this one, I'm not really worried about that so much. That's a nice thing. Thank gosh, that came right out. Stabilizer link or whatever this is. We go out. Bring this up a little bit. I'm gonna attempt to hammer this. There's a nut on here. Even with the nut, see if I can get it up. Alright. I think it'll come out now. Back it off little by little. Okay, so I'm gonna back this off a little bit more, hammer, back it off a little, hammer, hammer till it's out. Okay. All right, with success, my plan has worked. This is out. Just I got lucky. I didn't have to hold the key or anything like that. You might have to Okay, so this is free. Once I do these two, I think I'll be out to drop the strut. Strut's loose. Man, that was a bitch. That was so much bitch. Oh no, the strut is loose. Okay. Let's get up from the top. Low, not great. Here, get back here. Crazy, man. I had to get in here. You have to go inside these caps to get the final bolt out for the strut. So it's deep up in here. Let me get my magnet in case my bolt tries to drop. That is the difficult part about this job, I guess. I'm literally dangling by that one up in there. Oh. Right there. Once I get that last bit of the stud out, it should drop. She's hanging free. Okay. Set up. These are actually a little bit more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. But it's okay. Alright, let's do this. leave the bolt. Might just leave the bolt in there. That way, when I put it back in, it's already there. I'll try that. Tinker and Tom, please hit like or subscribe on the channel. Reinstallation might be a little tricky, but like I said, leave the bolt there. Maybe just making sure you can use. Looks like I can use the old bolt here, and I'll match it up to make sure I have the right one. Mounting point's the same. Stuff like that. Okay. Please hit like or subscribe on the channel. This is Tinker and Tom. The 09 Nissan Sentra strut replacement.